Oh, what is him?
Alright, there would trainer Mark. Is our Moluccan kakatu named Snow. Alright, there would trainer Vince. Is our self-requested kakatu named Vinny. Alright, there would trainer Aljun. Is our umbrella-quested kakatu named Nigel. Habit tropical and subtropical rainforest. You know, these birds are primarily white with black beaks with a distinctive yellow crest. Oh, now ang crest. Now, they are also known as the white cockatoos, so the great white cockatoo. Now, these birds can be distinguished from other white cockatoos by its fully white crest that traces like an umbrella. Tua alba. Now, if you were to compare Tweety and Nigel, clearly, Tweety has a silver yellow crest, while Nigel has a pure white crest. Now up next is our Moluccan kakatu. This is because of their spiky scarlet feather. As scientific entrance by Stone's engineer Urban Snow study last night and just scrolling on social media. Now ready, Mrs. Snow? Now Snow, please answer the equation.
What is him?
Now Snow, fix the first number. Is the first number correct? Now Snow, please complete your answer. Now Snow, fix the last numbers. And 10 plus 9 is equals to 19.
Red team. Oh!
A kingdom right there can be found in Southeast Asia and Australia. In Australia, these birds are called the redbacks eagles, but they're
Eagle.
we
No,
call
listen.
them lawin or badog in the Visayan region.
Oh!
Now these birds are primarily feed on insects and other small animals. Now that is it for our Brahmini kite named Kingdom. Now for more flying birds, please look to your left. These birds have a moving ability, meaning they can always come back to the nest and mate. Now these birds have special sense called magnetoreception. It can detect their feet and allow to perceive direction, altitude, and location. That's it for our beaches and raptors. Now everyone, do you want more? Now presenting our very unique bird here. The truth right there is locally known as the lamb of the Galapagos Mountain. It's because of their large moving call.
Oh, this is lang ang bird mo.
The truth right there is playful. We love to jump and hop from perch to perch, showing off his
Maglayit na siya diya. Layit na siya diya, ano ba?
The truth right there can be found in Mindanao, and also this bird is omnivorous. Meaning we love to eat fruits and
Layit na siya
nuts.
dito. Layit na siya diya. Dako, no. Dako, ba di siya? No, di siya. Mulayat. Mulupad. Whoa!
The truth right there is excellent if catching. And took the shot it took. How about second two? The ready cameras took the shot since last week. In 3,
2, 1! Whoa!
Officer will name 10.
Nice.
Now here in CEBU Park, we believe that there's hope. We're not only trying to take care of our friends, but also the land and air as well. Now who knows the 3 R's of proper waste disposal? It's the reduce, reuse, and... Now that's right, now let's go in and we'll love the first one again to show it how it's done. Proper waste waste management.
Nawa yung
So
parrot.
always keep in mind to reduce waste,
No, parrot to, no,
reduce
parrot. No.
plastics, and recycle
Oh.
everything you use.
Right yung parrot.
Now, see, our first time doing so
Hey!
happy. Now, before I will end this
Hapit na, hapit na, hapit na naman.
I can release our DJ,
Sir.
right there with trainer Irvin with our two, right there with trainer Mary with our bandit, and trainer Alton, and trainer Reese, and trainer Mark.